Hello everybody, today we're making brownies. Hi everyone, to make our brownies we put the melted butter into a big mixing bowl. Then we add the vegetable oil. Now we put in our brown sugar, followed by the white sugar. Holding our bowl tight, we take a whisk and mix them all together. When it's all mixed, we can add our vanilla extract and stir it in. Look at that, yum! Now let's take our flour and cocoa powder, some salt, and stir them all together with a fork. We can now add this to our mixing bowl, and with a spatula, let's stir them together. When they're mixed, we can add our eggs, one at a time. This is hard work, so if you need, ask a grown-up to help. Egg number 2, and mix. Now, the third egg, mix again. And last but not least, the fourth egg. Stir them all together. Look! Let's add our chocolate chunks. Yeah! And when no one's looking, taste it! Nearly there. Take a tray lined with baking paper, and if you need help, call a grown-up again. Get your grown-up to pour the batter into the tray and spread it all out evenly. Thanks, Dad. You can go now.
Okay, bye.
We kept some of the chocolate chunks to sprinkle over the batter, so let's do that now. Now we're ready to bake. We put our tray on the top shelf of our oven, preheated to 175 degrees Celsius, and bake for about 25 minutes. Get your grown-up to help you take the brownie out of the oven. It's really hot. Yeah. Dad. Then we can cut out a wedge. Brownie! Let me taste it to make sure it's good. It's delicious. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to make the best fudge brownies in the world.